Maintaining your results long-term? I feel amazing after 30 days, but how do I make sure I don't go back to where I started? If you've completed the 5-step gut health protocol and are asking this question, congratulations, you're asking the right question. Because here's the hard truth. 90% of people who restore their gut health lose it again within 6 months. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Hey everyone, if you're watching this, you've likely just completed or are nearing the end of the 30-day gut health restoration protocol I shared in my last video. First, massive congratulations. You've done something most people never do. You've actually followed through. But now comes the real challenge: maintaining these results for life. Today, I'm sharing the exact maintenance strategies given to most successful long-term clients, the ones who are still thriving years later. The maintenance reality check. Let's get real about what maintenance actually means. It's not going back to your old habits and hoping for the best. It's also not staying on the intensive 30-day protocol forever. That's neither necessary nor sustainable. Think of the 30-day protocol like physical therapy after an injury. It was intensive and focused to get you healed. Now we're transitioning to the fitness routine that keeps you strong for life. The clients who maintain their results long-term understand this. Maintenance is active, not passive. It requires intention, but it shouldn't dominate your life. The 80-20th maintenance framework. Here's the framework that's kept my clients healthy for years. The 80-20th rule. 80% of the time, you're following what I call your maintenance baseline. This is your new normal that keeps your gut healthy without being restrictive. 20% of the time, you have flexibility for life. Social events, travel, celebrations, or just because you want pizza on a Friday night. But here's the key: that 20% is planned flexibility, not mindless backsliding. There's a huge difference between choosing to indulge and losing control of your habits. Your maintenance baseline, the non-negotiables. Let me give you the exact maintenance baseline I use with clients. These are your non-negotiables, the things you do 80% of the time. Daily foundation. Continue your morning gut health routine, simplified from the protocol. Maintain your core supplement stack. I'll give you the streamlined version. Follow the 80% food guidelines, much more flexible than the elimination phase. Keep your stress management practices. Weekly practices. One 24-hour intermittent fast maintains autophagy and gut rest. Meal prep 2 to 3 gut healing meals for the week. Weekly gut health check-in. I'll show you exactly what to track. Monthly resets. 3-day mini protocol if you notice symptoms returning. Supplement and routine evaluation. Progress photos and measurements. This isn't overwhelming when it becomes your new normal. And remember, this is 80% of the time, not 100%. The Streamlined Supplement Protocol. You don't need to take 15 supplements forever. Here's the streamlined maintenance stack that keeps your gut optimized. Daily core stack. 1. High-quality probiotic, 50+ billion CFU, multi-strain. 2. Digestive enzymes with meals, especially larger meals. 3. L-glutamine, 5 grams daily for ongoing barrier support. 4. Omega-3, for continued anti-inflammatory support, as needed support. Activated charcoal after indulgent meals or when you feel off. Additional probiotics during stress or antibiotic use. Digestive bitters before larger or restaurant meals. Monthly boosters. 7-day intensive probiotic course every 3 to 4 months. Liver support blend quarterly, especially if you drink alcohol. This is roughly 70% fewer supplements than the intensive protocol, but it maintains the benefits. The flexible food framework. Your maintenance diet is not the elimination diet forever. Here's how it works. Green light foods, unlimited. All the foods from your healing protocol. These become your foundation. Load up on these without thinking twice. Yellow light foods, moderate foods you've successfully reintroduced. Enjoy these regularly, but with awareness. This might include certain grains, dairy, or other foods that didn't trigger symptoms during reintroduction. Red light foods, occasional, your known triggers, and highly processed foods. You can have these during your 20% flexibility, but you choose when and how much. The key rules. Never have red light foods 2 days in a row. Always return to green light foods after indulgences. If you have red light foods, take digestive enzymes and activated charcoal. Pay attention to your body's signals. They'll guide you. Warning signs you're sliding backward. Here are the early warning signs that mean you need to course correct. Physical signs. Bloating returning after meals. Changes in bowel movements, frequency, consistency, or urgency. Energy crashes or afternoon fatigue. Skin issues returning, acne, eczema, rashes. Sleep quality declining. Food cravings intensifying. Behavioral signs. Skipping your morning routine more than twice a week. Emotional eating becoming frequent again. Avoiding meal prep or planning. Stopping your supplements just for a few days. Making excuses for poor choices more often. The 3-day rule. If you notice any of these signs for 3 consecutive days, it's time for a reset. Don't wait for things to get worse. The reset protocols. When you notice warning signs, you have 3 reset options. Option 1, the 3-day mini reset. Return to elimination diet foods only. Double your probiotic dose. Add extra L-glutamine 10 grams daily. 16 to 8 intermittent fasting. Stress management. Focus. Option 2, the 7-day tune-up. Full elimination diet. Maintenance supplement stack plus healing boosters. Daily meditation or stress reduction. Gentle exercise only. Early bedtime routine. Option 3, the 30-day protocol. Repeat only needed if you've had a major gut disruption. Illness, antibiotics, extreme stress, or months of poor habits. Don't be afraid to do this. It's better than suffering. The key is catching issues early and addressing them quickly, not waiting until you're back to square one. Lifestyle factors that make or break maintenance. Your gut health isn't just about food and supplements. These lifestyle factors are equally important for long-term success. Stress management. Chronic stress will undo all your progress faster than bad food. Your maintenance plan must include regular stress reduction, whether that's meditation, exercise, therapy, or whatever works for you. Sleep quality. Your gut repairs itself during deep sleep. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep isn't optional for long-term gut health. Movement. Regular exercise supports gut motility and reduces inflammation. Find something you enjoy and do it consistently. Social support. Tell your friends and family about your new lifestyle. Having support makes maintenance infinitely easier. The long-term mindset shift. Here's the most important part. You need to shift from "I am on a protocol" to "this is how I live now." Your gut health journey isn't something you complete and then forget about. It's an ongoing relationship with your body that requires attention and care. The difference between my successful long-term clients and those who relapse isn't perfection, it's consistency with the basics and quick course correction when needed. You're not trying to be perfect. You're building a sustainable lifestyle that supports your gut health while allowing you to live your life. Your long-term success. Keep it simple but consistent. Weekly check-ins. Energy levels, 1 to 10 scale. Digestive symptoms. Bloating. Regularity. Comfort. Sleep quality. Stress levels. Overall mood. Monthly assessments. Progress photos, especially if gut health affects your weight. Measurements, if relevant. Review of what's working and what isn't. Adjustment of supplements or routines as needed. Quarterly deep dives. Comprehensive symptom review. Blood work, if recommended by your healthcare provider. Major routine overhauls, if needed. Success stories. What long-term looks like. Let me share what success looks like for my long-term clients. Sarah. 3 years later, I follow my maintenance routine without thinking about it. I can eat pizza with friends and not suffer for days. My IB symptoms are completely gone, and I have more energy than I did in my 20s. Mark. 2 years later, I do a 3-day reset, maybe once every 3 to 4 months when I notice I am getting off track. It's become as natural as brushing my teeth. My autoimmune symptoms are in remission. These aren't people who never indulge or live restricted lives. They're people who've made gut health a priority without making it their entire identity. Maintaining your gut health results isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, awareness, and quick course correction when needed. You've already done the hardest part by healing your gut. Now, you just need to protect that investment. What's your biggest concern about maintaining your results? Drop it in the comments, and I'll give you specific advice. And if this video helped clarify your maintenance strategy, hit that like button and subscribe for more long-term health guidance. Remember, you've got this. You've already proven you can heal your gut. Now, let's keep it healthy for life.